Hello, and welcome to DiaCharge channel. If you find this video useful, please support us by subscribe and leave your comment below. In this video, I will show you how to find out your display information. On the desktop, right-click on the empty space, then select Display Settings. When the window appeared, scroll down for Advanced Display. This settings contain the display information and refresh rate of your monitor. Now click on it. You can see the information from your display. In this case, my monitor has desktop mode 1920x1080, its mean Full HD resolution, with 165 Hz refresh rate. A few tips if you need to play competitive games. I suggest choosing a high refresh rate. A high refresh rate will produce a smoother display. I think this tutorial is enough. Hopefully it's useful and see you in the next tutorial.